The Gurduenon Scissor car jack kit offers a solid 2-ton lifting capacity with a generous height range that works well for both low sedans and taller sport utility vehicles. Its all-in-one set includes the jack, dual-size lug wrench, ratcheting handle, gloves, and a basic tire pressure gauge, so you have everything needed for roadside tire changes in one compact bag. The jack feels sturdy in use with a reinforced frame and corrosion-resistant finish that stand up well to repeated lifting and harsh weather. The ratchet wrench and lug tool give good leverage and a comfortable grip, making it easier to raise the vehicle and break loose stubborn wheel nuts without much strain. Because the kit is sized for most passenger cars, multi-purpose vehicles, and sport utility vehicles, it serves as a practical backup whether you keep it in the trunk or in the garage. Overall, this kit combines dependable lifting power, useful accessories, and a space-saving storage bag, making it a smart upgrade over the flimsy jacks that often come with vehicles.